Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. Welcome all to my channel, Alicia Suzanne. Here I do a lot of beauty unboxings and I also do some product reviews, and all on a teacher's budget. So if you're into that sort of thing, please give me a like and a subscribe. So let's get right into it. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus today. This is from January 2021. Still getting used to saying 2021. And I just received this box in the mail this morning. And so I thought that I would get this up as quickly as I could. And I've already opened it and tried some of the products. And I'm not wearing any makeup right now, except for I curled my eyelashes and did my eyebrows, because there's a few products I want to try on in here. So the mailer looks like this. And the first thing that we have is this Vita C12 Daily C Balancing Foam Cleanser, a gently creamy foam. And the box looks like this. This was one of the products that I chose. And it says it is dermatology tested, formulated with powerful proprietary blend of VitaBrid CG. This daily facial cleanser activates in water to gently remove impurities and dead skins without stripping away the skin's moisture, while Madagascar smooths and helps irritated skin look healthier. I don't know if I pronounced any of that right. But this is a Korean beauty product. You can see the Korean right here, made in Korea. For those of you who didn't know, I used to work and live in Korea during my 20s. So this is what it looks like. And I just got out of the shower and I actually tried this out while I was in there, and I really liked it. Even though it's just the first time I've used it, I like the fact that it's creamy. It's like this nice, thick, sort of, I don't know if you can see that. Very nice and thick and very good. And moisturizing. Like when I think of a foam cleanser, I think of something that is going to dry out my skin, but this did not do that. So that was the first product. Then we have this bag that says Dream, that's the theme. And that's what it looks like inside. And we have two mailers. One is for the Glam Bag X, I think that's what it's called. So they got rid of the Ultimate bag, which was not very good anyway. It was $50 a month, and instead they're doing something comparable to like BoxyCharm, where every 3 months you get an upgrade and it replaces either your Glam Bag or your Glam Bag Plus. Plus, I think you pay like an extra $29.99, I want to say. So it's like $50. But you have 8 full-size products. You choose 3, worth up to $428. It's curated from celebrity makeup artist Patrick Ta, and it includes brands like Patrick McGrath, Huda Beauty, IGK, R plus CO, and more. So that's, I think they do it every 3 months starting in February. So that's what they're up to. And then the second mailer, it says Dream It. New month, new year. Pew! That's cute. The sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. That's what that looks like. And it says beauty resolutions for your sign. so your Scorpio, or I'm a Scorpio, for your, I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know. The signs, the 12 signs. I don't really believe in astrology. That's what it's called. It's not my thing, but it says, for me, opt for something totally new. Dare we suggest pink? I do like the color pink. So, and then it talks about refreshments in the back. I talked about that last month. They have a new service where they have hand cream, body wash, razors, body cream, shave cream, and face wipes. That's another subscription service on top of your box. So, phew, the next thing I have is this Maria Nyla cream, and it's for curls. It looks like this. And it says, a nourishing cream that defines and enhances natural curls and waves. Applied to towel-dried hair and blow-dry for the best results. Color Guard Complex protects and maintains the color in color-treated hair. This product is sulfate and paraben-free, contains 100% vegan ingredients, and packaging is 100% CO2 compensated. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. It sounds like they recycle. So I actually already used this in my hair. I said I took a shower, and I think it did a pretty good job. It was a bit, my hair is naturally wavy, not curly, but definitely not straight. You can tell it's curlier underneath, and then the top kind of flattens out, and you can tell it's even curlier on this side. If I were to put my hair back, you could really see the curls. So I think this worked pretty well. What I think is, it smells pretty good. It's not amazing, but it's sort of this, I don't think you can really tell, because it's this kind of gel kind of liquidy, a little more, definitely more liquid than gel. But I never know how much to use when I get new products like this. So I was pretty liberal with it. I think I used a lot, but it doesn't feel crunchy or anything. I can definitely feel that I have a product in it, but this was an item that I picked too. And then the next product that I got was Kate Summerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. And so it says, smooth and moisturize, AM and PM. Apply an even layer to clean skin. Clinically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. So I know this retails for a lot. Her products are expensive. I think I read somewhere it was like $65. So I did use this after I got out of the shower. It does feel pretty good. I would never spend this much on my own, $65 for a moisturizer. I can go to TJ Maxx and get Oil Olay or something. But you open this up, and it's very, very liquidy. So you have to be very careful. It's not, if you tip this over at all, it would definitely run all over. Like, it's definitely a thinner, more runny than I think of when I think of a moisturizing cream. It literally is almost sort of milky. It's like in between the texture of actual milk and a cream. But so I think this was what I picked, but the choices, I don't always love my Ipsy choices. There's repeats, and they never will send you the same product, but they'll give you an option as a choice as a product you've gotten in the past. So it's pretty much a repeat. So that I don't want repeat products unless I absolutely love it. So then that excludes one of the choices you can really take. So I thought this was a little skincare heavy. But the next thing I am super excited about, because I typically don't get foundations in this box, but I got the Laura Geller Hydrating Foundation, and it looks like this. And it is in the color light. I like how sometimes foundation can be hard to sort of pick the color, and this was light, medium, maybe tan. So it is quench your skin with our intensely hydrating foundation with a wash of color. Coverage is as weightless and refreshing as a splash of water, leaving skin with a natural glow. Apply a small amount to the face with fingertips, starting with the center of the face and blending outward. Repeat application until desired coverage is achieved. So I did read on Ipsy's website that this is considered a tinted moisturizer. So both places, one place says it's a foundation, the other place says it's a tinted moisturizer. But I thought that I would go ahead and try this on right now as a sort of first impression. And I am going to use the It Cosmetics for Ultra Airbrush Blurring Foundation brush. It is amazing. It's my favorite. I used to use beauty blenders, and I still do sometimes use my beauty blender. However, my sister was like, no, trust me, you have to buy this foundation brush. It's the best. And so I did, and I don't regret it. I don't know how much to use, but I have a mirror right here that I'm looking into. So let's just start with this. I hope the color is a match. Probably started with too much, but we're fine. We're fine. I'm so excited to get a foundation or a tinted moisturizer. And this feels like a thicker tinted moisturizer. Typically would definitely go in with concealer to hide my dark circles. Maybe I will go in with my hands now, just to really blend that in. But I think it definitely has good coverage for a tinted moisturizer. I wish it had SPF in it, just because that extra layer of protection. But I think that's a pretty good color match as well. What do y'all think? I will go ahead and just put a little bit of concealer on like I typically would, just because I don't think we can really judge the foundation unless we know what I would really look like. And this is actually something I got in Ipsy a month or two ago. It's the Tarte Shape Tape, and I thought this was so cute. I could throw it in my purse for work if I'm running late or need a touch up before a meeting. I think we all like this year like to say that, oh, like it would be good for traveling, but I don't think anyone's traveling. I'm not traveling anytime soon. So I just thought it would be good for around town for work. And I have heard one of my favorite YouTubers is Kelly Strack. She's a beauty influencer, so check out her channel. But she loves Shape Tape, and she talks about it all the time. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Again, it's not quite how it would really look because I don't have the rest of my makeup on. But so far, I think this is pretty good. I'm happy to have it. And so the last product that I have in here, I haven't opened. It is called Sugar Rush Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil. And it says it's from Tarte, so that's what it looks like. I wasn't sure. I do have very dry lips, so I would be excited if this does work. But I'm always kind of skeptical because even I have some lip mask and some chapstick, I still get cracked lips. Today isn't that bad. It says it's by Tarte, but then I saw somewhere it says Sugar Rush Beauty, so maybe they're just under Tarte's umbrella. But this is called Dragon Fruit, so let's try this. Oh, this is cool. Like, it has a grip, so you can actually twist it off. Ooh, it smells good. It smells a little bit like watermelon. So let's go ahead and apply this. Looking in my mirror. I love to put a lot on. Okay, so it feels pretty good. It feels sticky. It's a lip oil. That's just how it's going to feel. I have one lip oil and I don't really use it that much. I probably would want to see more color. It looks like it's more pigmented than it goes on. But I'm definitely willing to give it a try. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. Let me know what you think or what you got in your box, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.